Are you experiencing a shimmy at high speeds? As beautiful as snow can be, something to expect after heavy snowfall is snow and ice built up in your wheels and wheel well. Additionally, your sensors may be dirty from the salt and snow, causing your Audi pre-sense system to beep. Here is what you can do. Step 1, wash your car to clean and remove the built-up debris. This should help. Step 2, if needed, contact the Audi Eatontown team to schedule a convenient appointment for a further inspection. Thank you for trusting Audi Eatontown on Route 36 in New Jersey. On behalf of the entire team, drive safe and stay safe.